This is one of the many tricks that will be regularly displayed on this channel. Be sure to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next interesting trick. This time we will discuss about how to make an automatic diary. Notepad application has automatic date and time recording facility that you can use to make diary or personal log. First, open File Explorer, move to the Documents folder or any other folder you want. Right-click anywhere on the right screen, then select New Text Document. Change the name as desired, for example My Diary. Double-click to open the file with the Notepad application. Type the word .log in the first line, then save the file with the Save command, and close the Notepad application. From now on, every time you open the My Diary file, the current date and time will automatically be added. You can write notes under it, then save the file and close the Notepad application. The next time you open the My Diary file, the latest date and time will be added. And so on. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.